My name is Julia Sthillert and I just graduated from the furniture design program at Malmstens. During my project, I have collaborated with the company Activision Blizzards, the creator of the famous game World of Warcraft. The assignment was to furnish their entrance and to create a unique space at the office in London, in Soho. The purpose of this thesis was to utilize the customer's own expression and explore the ability of recognition aesthetics to pre-create a relationship with the new piece of furniture. The launch chair that I am exhibiting is inspired by an in-game race called orcs. They live on a savanna where they are very limited in their resources. Therefore, I wanted this chair to look as though it was made by orcs, for orcs, and with materials such as dragon horn and linen cloth. The biggest difficulty in working with an otherworldly aesthetic is to find the balance in where you can draw inspiration from it or let it take over the shape and design. This project has been a dream come true for me as I am a gamer myself and absolutely adore some of Blizzard's games.